Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to SIMnet Module 7. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. It is just getting opening and we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 2021 Skill Approach Chapter 7 Challenge Yourself 7.4 SIMnet. We will discuss this assignment and solve this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. Okay, so before going to solve this assignment, let me show you how many questions we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment, we have in graded part, we have question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, then last 3 questions are non-graded one. As you know that all these are just non-graded part. We have to save them, upload them, get result. Okay, so we have 14 questions in today graded part. Remember that we are solving Excel 2021 Skill Approaches Chapter 7 Challenge Yourself 7.4 SIMnet. And here is the name of class that we are just reading, that is CS 1055 for 2025 Y1NI Mandarin. Now we are just moving toward solve this assignment step by step. Remember that we will solve this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. So challenge yourself 7.4. In this project, you will analyze housing trends using charts tool. Okay, so all these are just simply instruction about the file, that what we have in today's file, how we have to solve that one. So from here we get ready that we have to work on chart toolings, trends, etc. So skill needed to complete this project. We have to cover these skills. So in first we have to changing the spokline type, then adding marker and to spokline, then applying quick style and other formatting to spoklines, then formatting other chart element, emphasis a data point in a pie chart. Then we will cover the skill formatting a data point or a data series, then inserting a shapes, applying quick style and other formatting shapes, then adding and removing trend lines, then changing trend lines option, inserting picture, then applying quick style and other formatting to a picture, resizing and moving pictures, adding alt text to object for accessibility, then adding a picture to a header. So all these skill will be covered in today's project. Okay, there is some important notes. What is that? What is the important note? Download a resource file needed for this project from resource link. Okay, that we have already downloaded. If they downloaded in zip folder, then make sure to extract the files after downloading the resource zip folder. Then visit the SIMnet instant help for step-by-step instruction. So we have already done that part. Okay, now after solving all non-graded part, now we are moving toward graded part, and our graded part is start from here. So steps to complete this project, mark the steps are checked when you complete them. So in first part, we have to open our start file, that name is this one. Then the file will rename automatically to include our name, then change the project file name if directed to do by your instructor. So first we have to open our solution file. Here is our solution file. Then we have to click on enable editing. Okay. Then in next word, if workbook open in protected view, then click enable editing button. We have already pressed that one, and we can now modify this Excel sheet. Okay. So question number one and question number two are done. In question number one, we have to open our start file, our solution file, and in next word we have to click, if our workbook is in protected view, then we have to click on enable button, editing button. Okay. So question number one and two is done. Now we are moving toward question number three. On the summary by type worksheet, modify spark lines. First we have to move toward summary by type worksheet. Then we have to modify spark line. Then change these spark lines to lines. Where is this spark line? Okay, we have to select this one. Now we have to convert this spark line to line spark line. Okay, click on spark line, and there is spark line. Okay. So question number three part E is done. Now we are moving toward part B. We have to apply quick style, blue sparkline style, Eastern 5, darker 25%. Now we have to apply this style, that is sparkline style 5, darker 5%. Sparkline style 5, darker 25%. Yes, this one. Okay. Then question number one, two, three is done. In question number three, we have to open summary by type worksheet. Then we have to modify spark line. So first we have select the spark line, then we have to convert that into line spark line. Okay. Then in next word we have to apply quick style blue spark line style is 5, darker 25%. That is in a second style from right in second row of the gallery. We have done that one. So question number three is done. Now we are moving toward question number four. Add a marker to a spark line. Add a marker for high point. Now we have to add a high marker for high point. So here's marker for high point. Then change high point marker color to purple. Now we have to change high point marker color here to purple. Where is that purple? This one. So question number four is done. In question number four, we have to add a marker to a spark line. Instead, we have to add a marker for high point, then change high point marker color to purple. We have applied that one. So question number four is done. Now we are moving toward question number five. In the pie chart, change the color of individual data labels to match their respective data points, and then apply bevel shape effect to all label. Selecting a single data label in a similar, selecting a single data point. Okay, so in first part we have to apply blue E1 lighter 60% fill color, okay, to our data label for modern data point. Okay, first we have to find modern data point. In this one, this one is modern data point. So here we have to apply blue E1 lighter 60%, format, and this fill color blue E1 lighter 60%. Yes. Then in next part, in question number 5 part B, what we have to do, we have to apply orange E2 lighter 60% fill color to a condo data point. First we have to find where is control data point. This one first we have to select this one. We have to change its shape color or shape fill color, that is orange is into lighter 60%. That is fifth color from right in third row. That is fifth color from right in third row. Yes, orange is into lighter 60%. Then in part C we have to apply white background 1 darker 50% fill color, that is in first color left in third row. Okay, first color in left in third row to our data label of our range. So first we have to select where is range. Yeah, this is range. First we have to select this one. Then first color in third row from left. Yes. Then in part D we have to apply gold is in 4 lighter 60% fill color to mid-drawn data point. We have to apply their gold is in 4 lighter 60%, that is in third color from right in third row. Third color in right from third row, this one. Yes. Then select all data label and apply a round bevel shape effect. Now we have to select all data label, then there we have to apply a round bevel effect. Yes, this one. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5 there are 5 parts and we have solved each and every part step by step. Same way we will solve question number 6, 7, 8 up to question number 15 step by step. Then question number 15, 16 and 17 are non-graded one. So out of question 14 question we have solved half of assignment, you may see. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 2021 skill approach chapter 7 challenge yourself 7.4 SIMnet. In start we cover all non-graded part, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 14 to 15 questions in graded part and we have solved first 5 questions. Mean almost half of assignment is done from our side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks. And it's the biggest opportunity that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from scammer and your result will be E grade 100% marks. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, whatever you need to have regarding your academic. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% result in the next 30 to 40 minutes. Okay. I will take maximum 30 to 40 minutes to complete your project and your result will be A grade 100% marks. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my. So I take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.